Hello again. So today we are reviewing multi-step equations. So I've written a couple examples for you right here, and I'm going to walk you through them. So here we have 8a minus 3 parenthesis 2a plus 5 close parentheses equals 13. So first up, before anything, we need to distribute this negative 3. So remember, distributive means it goes here and there. So when we look at our next step, we have 8a minus 3 times 2 will give us that negative 6, minus negative 3 times 5 will give us that negative 15. It still equals that 13. So then we have to combine like terms. So I drew squares around our a's because they're similar. So we have a positive 8 and a negative 6, which gives us a positive 2. And then over here we still have negative 15 and 13. So we bring those down as well. At the next step we have 2a minus 15 equals 13. So right here we want to get this 15 to the other side. So we leave our variable by itself. So by doing the opposite of negative, which would be plus, so plus 15 will leave just 2a by itself. 2a equals 13 plus 15 equals 28. So if we come up over here then, 2a equals 28, so we divide by 2 to make sure our variable is by itself, which will be 28 divided by 2, which will be a equals 14. Alright? So you can also have a multi-step equation in a proportion. So here we have 7 divided by x plus 13 equals 4 divided by 12. So before anything we need to cross multiply. So as you can see by the purple and the blue we have cross multiplied. So down here we have 4 parentheses x plus 13, because when we multiply them together, equals 7 times 12, which we multiplied here together. So when we distribute this 4 like the last problem, we're going to have 4x plus 52 equals 84. 7 times 12 will equal 84. So we try to get the variable number by itself. So we move everything else to the other side. So the opposite of positive 52 is to subtract 52. So 84 minus 52 will give us 32 over here, which will leave 4x over here. So we divide by 4, divide by 4. 32 divided by 4 means that x is going to equal 8. Alright? So together we're going to work through some problems right now. Alright. Go ahead and pause now if you'd like to work this out by yourself, and then we're going to solve it together. Alright? First step, we have to distribute this 1/3. So 1/3 times 28, basically saying 24 divided by 3 would equal 8. So we have 8p minus 1/3 of 66, basically saying 66 divided by 3 would equal 22. So 8p minus 22 equals 3p plus 43. So we just rewrite over here, but we simplified over here. So now we want to get all the variables on one side and all the numbers on the other. So first off, let's plus 22, which will cancel that, right? So we have to do the same over here. So we have 8p equals 3p plus 43 plus 22. So we can do some quick math here and figure out that means 65. Then we want to get this p over here, so we're going to subtract 3p there. So that'll cancel, and we're going to do the same thing over here. So 8p minus 3p would give us 5p equals 65 Now to finish off, we just have to divide by 5. And we will figure out then that P equals 13. Sorry, it's kind of difficult to write while I'm over here, so it's a little bit messy. Did you get 13? Nice job. Alright, so now let's try a different problem. Let's try a proportioned one this time. So y plus 5 divided by y equals 10 over 8. Alright, so pause again if you'd like to try this one before we solve it together. Alright? So first, we need to cross multiply before anything else. So when we cross multiply, we're going to have something that looks like this. Because we did y times 10, and then we did 8 times y plus 5. Remember, we still need to distribute this. So we're going to have 8y plus 8 times 5 will be 40 equals 10y. So now, by subtracting 8y, cancels out on our left, and 10 minus 8 would give us 2y. 2y equals 40. So then, let's divide by 2. Divide by 2. Y equals 20. Did you get 20? Alright! You're getting the hang of it. It's not that hard, is it? Alright. Well, thank you for watching. Hope this helped.